Welcome back to the program. Time for our first conversation this Wednesday morning. We look at what various organizations are doing in their capacity as far as children's rights protection is concerned, and this is informed by that particular bill which was assented to law by the former President Uhuru Kenyatta. That is the Children's Act of 2021, which was assented into law in July 6th of 2022. I'm holding court with Mary Muhaki to my far right, who's the founder, Smiley Child Organization, and also Don Felix Ochieng, who's the research and partnership lead at the same organization. Lady and gent, welcome to the program.
Thank you.
You are
so
smiling.
much.
We are ready. You're prepared.
Yes. Yes.
Now, just before we go to the nitty-gritties of even the bill and the whole protection rights of children, just very quickly, talk to me about Smile Child Organization.
Smile Child is a
now this is why you're smiling.
organization. We are a children's rights and welfare organization with operations in Kiambu County and Nairobi County. So how did we start? We are a group of friends who just love children, and we started reaching out to children in campus. So with time, we saw the need of starting an organization, and in this case, Smile Child Organization. It wasn't even an organization, it was Smile Child Initiative. To see the orphaned. But with time we realized there's more than just visiting children in homes. There are children everywhere, not necessarily children in the orphanages. So we started increasing our operations to high schools, to parents, to youth, and now even to now children in different capacities. So perhaps I'll get a chance to also explain the different activities, but in a nutshell, that's who we are.
Definitely, you will. Now I see why you're all smiles. I mean, just the name of the organization.
Thank you.
All right, so Mary says that this was a group of friends, Don, a group of friends coming together with the main cause of just looking how best to assist children, and this spans across Nairobi. It actually goes beyond. Talk to me about why this was very pertinent for you. What are these gaps that you saw as far as just protecting children's rights is concerned that made you be part of this?
Okay, thank you so much for the question. Thank you so much for having us here today. And okay, so one of the things that informed that is that you see most of the problems is always good to really deal with them from the grassroots level. So you see, we thought that what is the best way to deal with issues that are affecting the society. We decided that if children are brought up in a very nice way, if they're given a very good environment, they'll grow up to be very responsible people, and they'll be in the best environment that can bring the best out of them when they're adults. So that's why we decided to focus with the children, so that we can start from the ground level up as we go. Yes. So
as a researcher, what basically is your role?
Okay, thank you. As a researcher, generally, okay, actually at first we didn't even have the research segment of Smile Child. Yes, it came because of the needs. We decided that, you know, most of the times when you come up with policies, or when you come up with the initiatives you want to do, it's good that they're like evidence informed. So we decided to have a research segment so that we can all go to the grassroots level. We do our research, we collect our data, so that when we come, the decisions that we make that will impact on the children are evidence informed. So that's why we have the. So that's basically what I do. Yes.
Going to the grassroots level.
Yes.
You really have to get data from the root code that will also inform what exactly you're doing.
Yes.
But when was this formed, Mary, and what kind of impact have you seen so far? Because when you look at children's issues, much as we have this law in place, there's still quite a lot to be discussed and conversed around children's rights.
Wow, that's a beautiful concern you have right there. So it started in 2016. In 2016, it was Smile Child Initiative. In 2018, we officially registered to Smile Child Organization. So what informed our decision and how we've reached this far is by talking about what we do. Like even here, we are here to spread awareness about how we as adults should let children be children. That's one of the policies we drive it. We say our role as adults is to protect children. A child shouldn't be sitting anywhere worried, what am I going to eat next? Am I safe in my environment? That is our responsibility as adults. So as Smile Child, we were thinking, we are dealing with children, but who are in charge of these children? Parents. So we started doing capacity building for parents. How do you parent? How do you become a good parent? How do you establish a relationship with your child so that, for example, worst come to worst, they're abused, they're able to communicate that to you. So apart from parents, who are we also targeting in the society? Youths like us. You know, youths, we have a lot of energy, we are vibrant, you know, and children are also very vibrant. So we said we are the people who are supposed to be interacting with children. You should see us in children homes playing like kids. We say dress casual in your Smile Child t-shirt, maybe tights and pants, sports shoes, no heels, no nothing. It's the day of makeup. Working, no makeup. no, you come as you are. We call it kwenda shamba. Yeah? So that informed our decision of just taking initiative as youth. Currently, we are around 229 youth volunteers who are just focused on making the world a better place and changing the world a smile at a time.
You did say that let children be children.
Yes.
What do you mean by that?
Let children be children, because I like asking people, remember yourself as a child. What did you know? Nothing apart from I want to go to play, I'm hungry, I don't want to go to school. You're not thinking so much, am I safe in my environment? I'm scared of passing that road, you see. So that is the happiness we want to restore in children. Like, let children worry about those small things about school, sleep, food, what time am I going to eat, but there's food on the table. But as adults, it's our responsibility to evaluate the environment where they're growing up. Because as Don, maybe he'll address it, we did research on the risks children face in the upbringing environment, and that is where as adults we come in.
I hear you, and of course we'll come with Don in a bit with that, but for now we want to cross over to Trans Nzoia County, where our very own Victor Olo is there. He is engaging the governor of Trans Nzoia, that is Governor George